Damion, do you purpose to live with Melissa in a fashion consistent with God's design for matrimony? Do you purpose to love her, honor her, and be faithful to her in times of personal need and personal blessing? Do you pledge, with God's help and to the best of your ability and loving communication between yourself and Melissa, forsaking all others, do you promise to remain faithful to Melissa as long as you both shall live?
I most definitely do.
Melissa, do you purpose to live with Damion in a fashion consistent with God's design for marriage? Do you purpose to love him, honor him, and be faithful to him in times of personal need and personal blessing? Do you pledge with God's help and to the best of your ability to seek to establish and maintain honest, open, and loving communication between yourself and Damion?
I do.
As a further,
Our witnesses and friends,
with joy and in love,
with joy and in love,
I take you, Melissa,
I take you, Melissa,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to be the mother of my children,
to be the mother of my children,
and the companion of my days.
and the companion of my days.
I promise to fully share my life with you,
I promise to fully share my life with you
through days of happiness
through days of happiness
or sadness,
or sadness,
abundance
abundance
or want.
or want.
I pledge to you
I pledge to you
my unfailing love always.
my unfailing love always.
Okay. Listen, you're going to say after. In the presence of God
In the presence of God
and before our witnesses and friends,
and before our witnesses and friends,
with joy
with joy
and in love,
and in love,
I take you, Damion,
I take you, Damion,
to be my wedded husband,
to be my wedded husband,
to be the father of my children,
to be the father of my children,
and the companion of my days.
and the companion of my days.
I promise
I promise
to fully share my life with you
to fully share my life with you
through days of happiness
through days of happiness
or sadness,
or sadness,
abundance
abundance
or want.
or want.
I pledge to you
I pledge to you
my unfailing love.
my unfailing love.
Okay.